Hi everyone, I'm Lynn, this is my project, and today I will be showing you how to make the Avocado Margarita from Cava del Tequila at home. Cava del Tequila is at Epcot, located inside the Mexico Pavilion iconic pyramid. Inside the pyramid, it's themed like nighttime marketplace in Mexico. If you go off to the right, you'll find this hidden gem, lounge of all lounges in Epcot. It's a great place to cool off and relax after a hot day in the Florida heat. Here are the items you'll need to make this margarita at home. First, you'll need a silver tequila, Melon Liqueur, Orange Liqueur, Agave Nectar, avocado, and lime. And can't forget the blender. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna start out with 2 ounces of silver tequila, or Blanco. Next, we'll need 1 ounce of Melon Liqueur. Then we'll add a ½ ounce of an Orange Liqueur. We'll need 1 ounce of Agave Nectar. About 1 ounce of lime juice, which is about the amount of juice you get from 1 lime. I usually roll the lime on the countertop a little bit first before I squeeze it, just to kind of get the juices flowing. Gotta really put some muscle in it. Woo! Okay. Then we need a ½ an avocado sliced. I use this really awesome tool I found, I think at like Home Goods or something, and it just scoops right in and slices it at the same time. Oops. Then we'll add our ice, my lid to my blender, which before this I didn't have a blender, so I got this extra fancy one here from Walgreens for $20. Lock it in there, and then we're gonna blend it on high for about a minute or until it's fully blended. Here we go. The one thing that is missing from my margarita that doesn't make it 100% authentic is at Cava del Tequila, which this is also available at Frontera Cojina in Disney Springs, is a hibiscus salt rim. I personally don't ever get my margaritas with salt because I have no problem getting enough salt in my life. So I am not gonna use that, and also hibiscus salt is difficult to find. Here we go. Look at that. This margarita blows my mind. I normally don't like frozen drinks at all, but it is, let's give it a try. Cheers. It is so smooth and creamy and refreshing all at the same time. You might even say it's delicious and nutritious. So good. So let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever had the avocado margarita? It is by far one of my top favorite drinks at Walt Disney World, and I am so excited that I was able to share this with you guys. If you enjoyed my drink video or other Disney content, please consider subscribing and ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, every day is a countdown to Disney.